Plants receive their nutrients mainly from answer D. Soil. The poison of honeybee is answer A. Acidic. Plant development is influenced by answer D. Quality, quantity, and duration of light. Number of chromosomes in Down syndromes is answer B. 47. The ABO blood groups were discovered by answer B. Carl Landsteiner. Which is the chief nitrogenous waste in humans? Answer A. Urea. One of the following is most suitable for study of mutations. Answer A. Haploids. O2 release in the process of photosynthesis come from answer B. Water. Branch of science which used in test of breast cancer. Answer B. Mammography. Human blood is a various fluid due to answer B. Proteins in blood. Our major foods fibers species fruits and beverage crops are answer A. Flowering plants. Nitrogen is fixed in ecosystems in ways stated below. Which one of the statements below is false? Answer D. By denitrification. DNA structure was first described by answer D. Watson or Crick's. Nymphs is a name of young one of answer D. Cockroach. On which of the following plants did Gregor Mendel perform his classical experiment? Answer C. P. Night blindness is caused by lack of which vitamin? Answer A. Vitamin A. Mycobacterium leprae causes leprosy. Corbacterium. Diphtheria causes diphtheria and Vibrio causes answer C. Cholera. Radical vascular bundles are those in which answer D. Xylem and phloem occurs on the different radii. Which is not an example of fungi? Answer D. Pulp. Bamboo is classified as answer C. Grass. Which one among the following is known as animal starch? Answer B. Glycogen. Who discovered the polio vaccine? Answer B. John Salk. Ozone hole refers to answer C. Decrease in thickness of ozone layer in stratosphere. Herbicides are used to control answer C. Weeds. Non-clothing of blood is caused by deficiency of answer D. Vitamin K. Monotremes are unique mammals because they answer D. Lay eggs. One of the following is not a function of bones. Answer C. Secretion of hormones for calcium regulation in blood and bones. N2 content is kept constant in the biosphere due to answer C. Nitrogen cycle. Radical vascular bundles are those in which answer D. Xylem and phloem occur on the different radii. Myopia is connected with answer B. Eyes. Wisdom teeth are answer B. Last molars. Which blood group is known as universal donor? Answer D. O. Pulses are a good source of answer C. Proteins. Plants receive their nutrients mainly from answer D. Soil. Radish is a answer C. Modified root. A major food fibers species fruits and beverage crop are answer A. Flowering plants. The largest organ of human body is answer C. Skin. What is Alzheimer's disease? Answer D. It is a disorder of the brain. Plants wilt due to excess of answer A. Transpiration. Plants hormone that induces cell division is answer C. Kinins. Plants receive their nutrients mainly from answer D. Soil. Which among the following kinds of lenses are used to treat astigmatism? Answer D. Cylindrical. Which of has following group of gases contribute to the greenhouse effect? Answer D. Carbon dioxide and methane. How do marine animals survive in water without air contact? Answer A. They do not require any oxygen. Photooxidation is answer D. All of the above. What provides instant energy? Answer B. Carbohydrates. Potato is a modified form, outgrowth of answer B. Stem. Plants that grow under average temperature and moisture are called answer C. Mesophytes.